Email marketing: how to market effectively without becoming spam. Tip 1. Don't send emails to people who don't want to receive them. Tip 2. If you plan to tackle email marketing, you need to know you have to have the permission from all those you wish to include on your email list. Tip 3. Stay consistent and make certain that your emails consistently utilize your company's logo and colors. Tip 4. Don't spam your customer base, get permission to send emails. Tip 5. In general, don't send important email marketing messages near holiday time frames. Tip 6. Do not depend upon graphics-heavy emails in your campaign. If you need help growing your business and your revenue, check out my digital marketing agency, Reputation and Social Agency at www.reputationandsocialagency.com. Visit us today to get your free customized business reputation report. Don't forget to like our video.